Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tesla Model Y screen. The Model Y features a large 15-inch touchscreen that serves as the central control hub for almost every aspect of your vehicle. From driving information and navigation to entertainment and climate control, everything is managed through this intuitive display. You can personalize your experience by easily dragging and dropping app icons to your preferred locations. Navigating in your Model Y is seamless with the integrated system. You can access detailed maps and receive real-time traffic updates, ensuring efficient travel to your destination. Simply use voice commands or the on-screen keyboard to search for any location. For entertainment, enjoy a wide array of streaming music, podcasts, and even video services, perfect for when you are parked and waiting. The touchscreen provides comprehensive control over your vehicle's settings. Easily adjust climate control, activate seat heaters, and fine-tune mirror positions. You can also manage various driving modes, customize regenerative braking intensity, and set your preferred steering feel. Furthermore, access important safety features such as Sentry Mode and review dashcam recordings directly from the screen. Your Model Y screen allows for extensive personalization. Create and save individual driver profiles, ensuring your preferred settings are always ready. Tesla regularly delivers over-the-air software updates, bringing new features and improvements directly to your vehicle. You can also use the integrated web browser for internet access, expanding the functionality and convenience of your Model Y's central display.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.